Root Shiksha. The Thirsty Crow. One hot day, a thirsty crow flew all over the fields looking for water. Finally found a tall pot with very little water in it. He tried, but not able to reach. He thought of an idea. He found some stones nearby. He picked it up and dropped them one by one into the water. The water came up and he drank it. Happily flew away. The Thirsty Crow story moral. If you try hard enough, you may soon find an answer to your problem. Thank you. Root Shiksha. The Lion and the Mouse. Once upon a time, a lion was sleeping in a forest. A mouse started playing on it. The lion was disturbed and arose from his sleep. It caught up the mouse angrily and tried to crush it to death. Spare me, begged the poor mouse. Please let me go, and someday I will surely repay you. The lion laughed at it and let him off. One day, the lion was caught in a net spread by a hunter. It roared and tried to escape, but in vain. The mouse heard the lion's roaring and came there. It started cutting the net with its teeth. The lion escaped and thanked the mouse. The Lion and the Mouse story moral. Love and kindness are never wasted. Thank you. Root Shiksha. Elephant and the Ant. Once upon a time, there lived a huge elephant in a jungle. He was arrogant and always underestimate animals smaller than him. In the same jungle, there lived a family of ants. Every morning, they would go in search of food and on their way back, they would always see the elephant troubling other animals. One day, when the ant family was coming back collecting their food, the elephant sprayed a trunk full of water on them. You should not hurt others like this, cried one of the ants. Shut up, you teeny ant. Keep quiet, or I will crush you to death, said the elephant angrily. The poor ant kept quiet and went on its way. But she decided to teach the proud elephant a lesson. Next day, when the elephant was sleeping, the tiny ant slowly crept into the elephant's trunk and started beating him. The elephant woke up and tried everything to get the ant out his trunk, but could not. Such a big animal, but he could not do anything to get the teeny ant out. elephant started to cry and begged sorry to the ant. I hope now you understand how others feel when you hurt them, said the ant. Yes, I do, cried the elephant and pleaded the ant to come out. The ant took pity on the elephant and came out of his trunk. From that day onward, the elephant never troubled any animals. The elephant and the ant story moral: never underestimate and hurt anyone. Thank you. Root Shiksha. Clever fish. There was a poor fisherman lived in a small village. He earns his livelihood by catching fishes from the river and selling them in the market. But the money he gets by selling fishes was not enough. He was living in a very poor condition. Even the net he used for catching fishes were almost torn, but he had not enough money to buy a new one. One day, a fisherman was fishing in the river as usual. He threw his net into the river and he was waiting there to catch the fish so that he could sell a lot of fish, get some good money from the market. After some time, fisherman heard some hustle and bustle in the net and thought he must have got a lot of fish in the net. As the net was turned, so when he took the net out of water, many of the fishes managed to flee from the net, but a little tiny fish does not get out of the net and was caught by the fisherman. The fisherman grabbed hold of that fish, but then suddenly the fish started to take to him. The little fish said to the fisherman, "Oh fisherman, please leave me, otherwise I would die out of water." But the fisherman gave attention to the fish's request. Now the fish started to think something to save her life from the fisherman. And after thinking for a moment, the fish said to the fisherman, "Oh fisherman, I can tell you something of your prophet." The fisherman stopped and started listening to the fish. The fish said, "If you leave me back in the water, I will tell all my friends about you, and I will bring them to the back of the river so that you can easily catch and sell them in the market. Next time you come, you have a lot of fish." The fisherman thought to himself, "Wow, this is not bad at all." He wondered what to let go of. Today is a small fish. Tomorrow I will have many fish because it is a small fish which brings me to all her friends. Believing the words of the tiny little fish, fisherman let go. The little fish was really happy. She happily ran into the river and never returned. The next day, the poor fisherman hoped there would be so many fish, but he found not even a single fish. On the other hand, small fish are being intelligent, and for that reason she wisely saved his life from a fisherman. Clever fish. Moral: you have to be very, very clever to save your life from such challenging moments. Thank you. Root Shiksha. Fox and Crow. A fox was walking through the forest. When he saw a crow sitting on a tree branch with a fine piece of cheese in her beak. The fox wanted the cheese and decided he would be clever enough to outwit the bird. "What a noble and gracious bird I see in the tree," proclaimed the fox. "What fair plumage! If her voice is as lovely as her beauty, she would no doubt be the jewel of all birds." The crow was so flattered by all this talk that she opened her beak and gave a cry to show the fox her voice. "Caw, caw," she cried as the cheese dropped to the ground for the fox to grab. Fox and Crow moral: beware of flattery. Thank you.